Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix frustrating pink textures in Blender. We've all been in the situation where we open up a Blender project, switch to material preview or rendered view, and all of our materials are pink. This usually happens when you move your blend file and Blender can no longer find the textures that are being used in your scene, so it displays a pink color instead. Luckily, there is an easy fix for this. Go to the File drop-down menu, hover over External Data, and click Find Missing Files. Navigate to the directory where your textures are and click Find Missing Files. Blender will then look through all the folders in that directory to try and find the missing textures. And just like that, all of our textures are back. To stop the textures being lost in future, we can go to File, External Data, and click Make Paths Absolute, which means that Blender will use the absolute file path of the textures in your scene rather than the relative file path, so they won't be lost if you move your blend file from one folder to another. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.